Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Senegalese twist. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. So guys, this is the base I'll be using for today's tutorial. I don't have a mannequin that has a hair on it, so I'll be using that as a base. So guys, the Senegalese twist, I would have to do this way because I have to have a base, but I don't have the hair, so I'll be sectioning this hair into these 4 parts so it'll be easier for me to braid. So guys, I would advise you braid like 3 to 4 steps. You don't braid too much whenever you want to do this twist because it gives it more beauty. You don't get to see too much of braids underneath. But if you're fine with the lengthy kind of braid and then before you start twisting, it's okay. But then if you want to stop there, you just put the third or the middle hand or middle parts of the hair that you use in braiding, you divide them equally to the left and the right hand of the braids, and then before you finally start twisting, you make sure you twist your hair first tightly so you have a firm hold of the hair. So I'm actually twisting it right now so that it will be easy for me to have a stronger twist. And guys, this twist is basically tight. It's not actually a loose twist. So I'll be showing you how a loose twist looks like and how a Senegalese twist looks like, and I'm also going to be adding an extra twist to this video, so guys, keep watching. To get a perfect twist, you have to twist both sides, take it to your left and put it in between your pinky and your ring finger, and that's the same process you have to keep repeating. Twist them together, take it to your left and put it quickly in between your pinky and your ring finger, and that's how they twist. So that's how you get a very tight twist. Whenever you want to twist, you make sure you twist them together. Like while you're twisting the other part, you're twisting the left part. While you're twisting the right, you're also twisting the left. That's how you get a perfect twist. But when you're just twisting and you're not twisting or rolling the other parts or rolling each part, you end up having a very, very loose twist. And that is what we don't want. We want something that is tight and perfect. So you twist from both sides, take it to your pinky and your ring finger, and then take it away. As you can see guys, when I left the hair, it didn't unravel, it didn't go up, it didn't lose, or it's still intact. And that's what everybody wants, right? You want a twist that even when you drop it, it's still going to stay. You can go drink water and come back and continue from where you stopped. So guys, in the situation of when the other hair needs extra hair and the other part is bigger, you could borrow from the other parts like this. Just make sure you're still holding your hair, and then you use the other hand to pinch out a little from the other hair, and you just keep twisting. Do not stop, because once you leave the hair, it unravels because you are borrowing from the other end. Or if you can't just have a perfect twist like that, you could just take extra hair from your braided hair and just add to the hair. So guys, that's how it looks like. Before we move on to the next part, please guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel please, and leave a comment down below. If you don't understand anything, I can answer whatever question you have. So guys, this is the next part of the video, and this twist is going to be a loose twist. Some people actually don't do a loose twist properly. You still see it like it's be so looking unhealthy, or I don't know how to put it, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do a loose twist perfectly. It doesn't have to be so loose like the way I see some people's hair. So guys, after you section your hair into 4 parts like you seen on the video, you just put it down, and I decided not to start with a braid this time. I just wanted to start directly, and then I just twist and start twisting, and then you twist loosely. But this time, why it's called loose is because the gaps are long, like it's not so tight looking. Like if you can see the other parts of the other hair I did, You can see how it's looking so curly, tightly twisted and stuff like that. But this one, it's tight but it's loosed. Now this is an example of what I am telling you. You guys see this color 27, how it looks like, and then the color black, they are basically different. You see the other color 7 has step by step, but the other one has skip or has space in between its twists. And as you can see, the down parts of the hair, the tail part of the hair, they look different. So guys, for the last twist I'm going to be showing you all, I'll be using my DIY spring twist hair I made, and I'll be using it to make a passion twist. Yes guys, you can use any hair. You can use a Mali hair, you can use a Cuban twist hair, whatever hair you know that has like a bit wavy curls in it that you can use to do a normal braids. You can use it for a twist or a passion twist. So guys, I just sectioned them into 4 parts because like I said earlier, I don't have a hair to do my examples on. So this twist is just very simple. You just twist from your left to your right, from your left to your right. That's how you do it. Like, you don't need to twist each part together. No, it's just a plain twist, because once you're done with the twist, it pops up. It just goes up by itself. You don't need to start dragging it down or start doing any extra stuff to this particular passion twist hair. So guys, as you can see, they are all different. Each of them have different pattern of twist, but they are all called twist. So guys, if you love this video and you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Please give the video a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and leave a comment down below. I'll be seeing you all on my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe.